Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering. Today we're exploring polyphase systems, specifically the fundamentals of three-phase power. Single-phase power drops to zero periodically, which creates pulsating energy. This can lead to inefficient operation in electrical motors. To solve this, a three-phase system utilizes three separate coils. These coils are strategically spaced 120 degrees apart to provide more balanced power delivery. As the central magnet rotates, it cuts through each coil in a specific sequence. This action generates three distinct voltages. These voltages peak at different times, following a strict 120-degree sequence that keeps power flowing continuously. The phase sequence refers to the order in which these peak voltages occur. The standard, most common sequence is red, yellow, and blue. Engineers rely on a phase sequence indicator to verify this order. Using this tool ensures that grid connections are correctly configured. To distribute this power, we interconnect the three phases. The most common methods for doing this are star or delta configurations. While power in any individual phase may fluctuate, the total power in a three-phase system remains absolutely constant, providing a stable supply. Because three-phase power creates a rotating magnetic field, it spins an electric motor naturally without needing additional components. Compared to single-phase motors, three-phase motors are more efficient, self-starting, and can be built in smaller, more economical sizes for the same power output. Today, three-phase power is the universal standard for industrial applications. It is the reliable backbone that drives global manufacturing. In summary, three-phase systems provide constant power through 120-degree spacing, using the red-yellow-blue sequence as our global standard.